Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm really excited about this product. So this is it's a two-pack of smart mini sockets. So that works with Google Home, your Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, that sort of thing. So it's two mini smart plugs from Oria. And Oria has been around on my channel for a while, so really excited to continue to have some of their products to review. Yeah, that being said, I don't have any smart plugs, so I'm excited to see how these end up working. Again, this is a mini version. It's a two-pack. The link to this can be found in my video description. So go ahead, look below, check that out right now. Let me know what you think. And here's the packaging. It may be hard to see with my lights because this is white. But on the front, it just shows the picture of the two mini sockets with intelligent home solutions. It works with Amazon Alexa, it works with Google Assistant, two pieces because it's a two-pack. There's the side with their logo, showing it smart. Here is the bottom of it. Just shows Oria's packaging. They always do a great job. I mean, you're never going to keep this, but they still take the time and the effort to make it look great. So really excited about these products. And now we'll go ahead and unbox it. Cover comes off, just a piece of cardboard box, keeping them in there. But we'll go ahead and see how these mini plugs look and feel. So here's how it comes right out of the box. So, comes with instructions for your smart plug. Let's go ahead and look at those for a second. It is IFTTT compatible, which is basically a protocol for it to be able to talk to other apps and things. So the instructions, a lot bigger than I would have thought, but that's okay. It shows how to download the Smart Life app to use. It's on Google Play and Apple. Register, easy mode, and then you can set up your Alexa or your Echo speaker by Alexa app. Enable it in the app as well. Google Assistant, same thing. So looks really great. I'll have to do a follow-up video showing maybe what the app looks like and how it went for me to set it up. But great instructions, really detailed. It's in color, really helpful. QR codes to get the app, that sort of thing. So great instructions. And now take them out of the package. Sweet. So they really are. When they say mini, that's not very big. So plugs right in, 15 amp, 110 volt, smart plug, and your on, off button, power button, and that's it. This is a two-pack, so we have two. So excited for that. To control two different outlets. So if you have some lamps or other things you want. Controlled via Google or Amazon. Really exciting stuff. Great size. Again, if you can see, compared to my hand. They are very tiny, and there, maybe that's in relation. So from Oria, so really excited to get these set up and to use, and I'll do a follow-up video so you can see more of how my experience went. So thank you for watching this unboxing video, and I will see you guys in the next video.